Welcome to the in front of me POCO M5, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to this fingerprint scanner on the right side of our phone, here to the power key, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast and correct. Just with a simple touch to the power key, I can unlock the device just less than in 1 second. This is the really good result for the fingerprint scanner, for the fingerprint unlock method. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.